Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Witch's Roost box for December 2021. It's a little late, but better late than never. Let's see what we got here. The evening ritual. We've got a lovely sigil. Moss agate. I collect all of these. Sometimes I'll show you guys my collection. Green tea. I thought I had gotten green tea before, but I must have gotten white tea. This must be a moss agate since we got a moss agate Book of Shadows artwork. We've got a beautiful spell candle. We've got an oil. Sadashio. Beautiful. Let's smell it. Sweet. Almost like, yeah. Interesting. We've got some incense, rope incense. I'm not sure what flavor, but it smells really pleasant. Dreamscapes, ritual herbal tea. Chunmei, which I'm guessing is the green tea. We've got a lovely tea strainer as the main item, so it's probably, oh yep, it's got a beautiful little let your spirit unfurl. That's very pretty. Let's read this insert now. As the sun sets in the sky and the moon takes over, we rest easy and content in her guided glow. It is when the evening welcomes us each day that we can truly look inwards, revisiting progress and letting go of harmful energies that may have attached themselves to us over the previous hours. It is during this time that we can truly focus on our well-being and start to process the emotions and intentions of our actions and thoughts. It is very easy to get caught up into being absorbed into other activities each night while avoiding and stepping around self-care and ritual work. During this month, it is so important that we take the necessary time to rest within our magical practices and routines. In this very special collection, we work toward creating a relaxing and thought-provoking atmosphere as we settle into our evening rituals. So we have green tea, or chunmei, so health benefits, currency, so let's see. Longevity, health, growth, prosperity, harmony, purification, and fulfillment. So then we have our Dreamscapes ritual herbal tea, which has chamomile, passion flower, lemon balm, oat straw, linden flower, lemon, verbena, fennel, calendula, and nutmeg for easing the mind and bringing peace and tranquility. We have the lovely artwork for green tea. Absolutely beautiful. We have the oak leaf tea ball infuser. Absolutely beautiful. It's a pewter oak leaf. Very cool. A tumbled moss agate. Balancing and restorative stone. A moss agate Book of Shadows artwork. The Silent Healer mini spell candle. Sedation, oh, it's for tranquility and harmony. Sedatio Magical Anointing Oil for bringing calming, grounding, and relaxing energy. It has green tea, chamomile, ylang-ylang, lavender, vanilla, and lemon with lemon balm and green tea herbs. Very cool. And a Lumarian quartz with Silent Night magical oil as well. Sandalwood, rope incense, wondrous slumber sigil print. Very cool. I absolutely love the witch's roots. I've gotten every single one they've made and they've all been a joy. Someday I'll show you guys my collection of the artwork as I have them in binders all bound up and just really cool and pretty looking in my opinion. As always, I'm going to leave the description for this box in the description below. The link for this box in the description below. And as always, please like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and take care.